Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG smart monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust your monitor's brightness. So as you can see at the bottom of our monitor we have the button. We have to press it and let's wait a moment. Now we have to click the settings. Here we have to go to the right and click settings and click the gear icon. I don't have the remote control unfortunately, so it will be more difficult. Here we have the picture as default, so we have to go right to the picture and advanced settings. Let's click on it. And here we have the brightness. Let's click on the brightness. And here we have a lot of brightness adjustments. The first one is panel brightness, and we can lower it going our button toward us or to the up, as you can see. So at first let's leave it like that. Apart from that we have the contrast level, black level, auto dynamic contrast, gamma, and by clicking on it we can modify these options. Motion eye care,